Back to Balvikan Bharti, and as you know, we are moving in the problem solving session for ratio and proportion. In this, we have already reached the problem number 25. The next problem will start from 26. So, the 26th problem is a vessel contains a vessel contains a vessel contains 540 liters mixtures of honey, milk and water in the ratio of 3:4:5 respectively. Okay, 15 liters honey and 20 liters milk is added to the mixture. Find new ratio. Okay, so this is very straightforward. So what you have to find the initial amount of individual items. Okay, so honey, milk and water are in the fraction of 3 by, this is total of 9 plus 12. So 3 of 12 into 540, 4 of 12 of 540 and 5 of 12 of 540. These are the case, these are the amount of this. Now this is how much, 3 by 12, 4, 90, 4, 3, 180, and this is 6, 2, 6, 90. This will not be 90. 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. This is 4 by 30. 12 means 3. 180. This is 6. 2 the 690. 245. So that means this is equal to 135, 180 and 45 into 5, 90, 180, 225. This will be the amount earlier. Now this has been added with 15 liters of honey and 20 liters of milk. Water is not added. So your new ratio will be 150 is to 200 and 225. Now you can reduce it. So all are multiple of 25. So 25 6, 25 8, 25 9. So this cannot be further reduced. So this will be the new ratio. Understand? Okay. (27) will be the next problem. 27. The ratio of income of incomes of A and B is C is to 2 and that of their expenditure is 2:1 and the ratio of their saving is 8:7. What is the weekly income of A if the total weekly saving of A and B is rupees 7500. Okay, so now the ratio of incomes of A B is 3:2. This is income, and their expenditure is 2:3:1, and the ratio of their saving is this much. So we know that income minus expenditure is equal to the saving. This will be the case. Okay, so this will be the case for both of them. Then after that, what is the income of A if the total saving of A and B is this much. Okay, so now we can take income respectively 3x and 2x as x be the common multiplication factor. Expenditure cases will take accordingly 3i, because income with I am just denoting, so it will be easy to identify. Expenditure with E, and saving is 8s and 7s. Okay, so now for A it is how much? 8s. The equation will be 3i minus 2e is equal to 8s, and 2i minus e is equal to 7s. So there are three variables, 1, 2, 3. So at least you need 3 equations. Another equation is 7s plus 8s, means their weekly saving of A, B together is 7500. So this is equal to 7500. The saving is 8s, and so this is 15. So 15s is equal to 7500. So what is your S? 500. S is equal to 500. Once you will get 8s, so 8s is equal to 4000 here and 3500 here. Now you will get the question done. So what you have to do, let it be multiplied with the 2, 3. So, or else if you want to multiply it with 2 only and deduct it. Okay, so you already got this thing. So this is with 2, so this will be 4i 2e, and you will get with 2 means 7000. With 2 will multiply. So if you deduct this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. So ultimately minus 3000, and there you will get I minus I. This is equal to, this will be cancelled. So I is equal to 3000, and I is equal to 3000, and E is equal to how much we will get? 2i minus E is equal to 3. Okay, so 2 into 6000, minus 3500, so you will get 2500 as E. So now as it is known what is the weekly income of A, so you will be interested in income only and of A. So A's income is how much? 3I, 3 into 3000. I already have received, so this is 9000. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now move to problem number 28. Problem number 28. The students in 3 batches. The students in 3 batches of BBA are in the ratio of 2:3:5. If 20 students are increased, 20 students are increased in each batch, ratio changes to 4:5:7. Find the total number of students in the 3 batches taken together before the increment. Okay, before the increment. Okay, the students in 3 batches are in the ratio of BBA, and in each particular subject there is ratio 2:3. The 20 students each being increased in each batch. Okay, the ratio becomes this. So we can take a common multiplier of this 2x, 3x and 5x. So now we are adding 20 to each. So 2x, if it is added with 20, now is to 3x plus 20 and is to 5x plus 20. That new ratio will become this one. Okay. So we have to find the total students before the increment. So once you will get the x, you will get the students. So how will you get that? You can take these two ratios and equalize this. You will get, or else what you can do, if you equalize this 20. Yes, you can equalize taking these two ratios. 3x plus 20 is equal to 4:5. Okay, so now this will give you some result. How will you get that? This is 5x, 10x, 100, 12x, 80. So 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. 12x minus 10x is equal to 2x. 20 minus x is equal to 10. Okay, so any of these two, if you equal, because there is only one x is unknown. So if you take this ratio and equalize to this, you will get answer. other, if you equalize, you can cross check the answer. So if you take this 3x plus 20, then also you will get the answer, but you need only one equation to get solved one unknown. So only this you can cross check. So 7 into 3 21, 140, 25, 100. So this is 40 is equal to 4x. So x is equal to 10. So with that equation also you will get solved. So any of this equation can be useful to get solved the value of x. So once you will get the value of x, so the total number is 2 plus 3 plus 5 into x. So 5 into 10, 10 into 10. So your number of student before the increment, including all three batches, is 100 numbers. Okay, so this is 28. So the next is 29. Three varieties of tea whose cost prices are 1500 per kg, rupees 1500 per kg. Sorry, this is only rupees 500 per kg, 720 per kg. You can consider as rupees, and rupees 900 per kg. So these are the three varieties which their cost are blended in the ratio of 9:5:11. What should be the selling price? What should be the selling price of kg of blended tea if the seller has to make profit of 20%. Okay. Now profit of 20% means the selling price has to be higher than the cost price. So what is the relation of selling price and cost price? So the selling price is equal to 1 plus percentage into cost price. This will be the equation. So this is the relation to the profit or loss. This is also mixed with the ratio. Now the first part of that, the three varieties of tea is being mixed. So the amount that is being blended in the ratio. So this is the quantity. Now this is the price. So if we club it, price into quantity, you will get the total. This is rupees per kg. This is quantity per kg. In kg you can say. So what you will get by multiplying this, you will get the amount price of the total blended tea, and at the same time you will get the total quantity of the tea. So if I can assume a multiplication factor here, 9x 5x, so the quantity could be taken as 9x 5x of 3 quantity, and their price is given, the total amount, total price. That means when I am mixing, this is the cost price, the total cost price. You can say the cost price is equal to how much? 9x into 500, the first one, then 5x quantity into 720, and that of 11x, the third quality, into its price 9. This will be the total cost price. Okay, and amount of the quantities mixed. So per kg price is how much? So if I can calculate all this, so x anyhow will be taken out. Now you see, if I divide this total cost price with the quantity, I will get cost price per kg. Now we have to get the cost selling price per kg with 25%. So my intention is to get cost price per kg. So cost price per kg, if I want to get, so now see, instead of taking x as a multiplier, because if I add this and divide with this, so there x will not be a part of this. So what lesson we can get here? What we are doing, you have to find the total cost price by this into this, this into this, this into this, divided by this plus this plus this. This will be the same thing. So instead of taking additional step of getting that x as a factor, what will be my first, the cost price per kg? It will be 9 into 500 plus 5 into 720. I am just taking the ratio directly. I am not taking any multiplier factor. That will give you the same result if you take x, because x is not a part of this. This 9 plus 5 plus 11. This will be the case. So now this 9 into 52, 72. How will you calculate this? Now you have to calculate. So 9 to the 18, 1, 9 to the 45, 46, 0 plus 572, 10, 35, 36 plus 11, 900, 900. Now if we add this 9900, 3600, 4680, 0866, 12, 21, 21, 2, 4, 9, 4, 7, 16, 16, 18. So 1800, 180 divided by this is 20, 25. My calculation is right. 180. Yes, this is right. This is right. This is right. Okay, now by 25, this is my cost price. So what will be my selling price? Cost price into 1 into this will be your selling price will be then this is your cost price into 1 plus 20% means 1 by 5. Okay, 20% means 20 by 100. That means 20 by 100. So that is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, this is 6 by 5. So ultimately this has to be multiplied with 6 upon 5. Isn't it? So 6 upon 5 you have to multiply. So this is 25 into 5 is 125. Whatever the result will come into 6 by 125. Okay. So this is 18, 11. It will not go with 11. So now I have to calculate this. So let me take the 18180 into 6 by 25. 25 if I calculate, this will be 7 times. So 175, that means 68. 175, 68, 250, 180, 75. It won't go. 75, that means 7 times 0.2. This much. So 6 to the 12, 1, 7, 42, 43, 6 to the 12, or 4, 16, 1, 6, 7, 42, 43 point. So this will be the answer. This much after profit, your selling price. So what should be the selling price of each kg of the blended? This would be the answer. Per kg you have to sell to get 20% of profit. Okay. Your cost price was how much? 18180 by your 5. So what is your cost price was there? 5 3 is 18, 5 6 30, 5 3 15, 5 6. So this was the cost price, and your selling price will be this much out. Okay. So I will end up here, and the next video I will start problem number 30 onwards. Thank you for